Okay, in today's class, we will do the questions and answers for the chapter number 2. So now, everybody, take out a pencil, open your notebooks, and you have to write these questions and answers in the notebook. Everybody, take out a pencil and a notebook so that we will do the question and answer. We will do the question and answer. Okay. So let's okay. So everybody take out a pencil and a notebook. Everybody is ready? Say yes or no.
Yes, 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 yes. I
Okay.
am
Okay.
ready. I am
Yes.
Okay.
ready.
So now let me show you the question. The question is on the screen. The first question is okay. The first question is computer hardware. The computer hardware. Okay. So the question number one is saying what is hardware? Everybody should has to write this question. But remember, what you have to do first, you have to write the name of the chapter at the top of the page. First, you have to write the name of the chapter on the top of the page. Write the name of the chapter at the top of the page. It's a computer hardware. It's a computer hardware. It's the name of the chapter. Write it on the name on the top of the page or no, on the top of the page of the notebook, and on the left hand side, what you have to do on the left hand side, you have to write the date. What is the date today? Today is 26 11 and 2020. So everybody write it. Okay, okay let me write the date and at the corner. The date is 26 11. Okay, and then we have 20 and 20. Okay. So everybody write the date and the name of the chapter, and then everybody start writing the question number one. Okay, so the question number one is on the screen. Everybody should start writing that question, and uh, when when you are writing the question, when you are done with writing the question, you can raise the hand or you can also send the message in the chat that you are done. So the question number one is what is hardware? What is hardware? The answer for the question number one is touchable parts of computer are hardware, because we are discussing the computer hardware. That's why we are saying the touchable parts of computer. Touchable part of computer is a hardware. A single part or many parts, both things are come under this category. So touchable part of computer is a hardware. So everybody should has to write this in the notebook. When you are done writing the question number one and you are done writing the answer of that question, you can raise the hand or otherwise you can send the message in the chat like you can type just done, and I will understand that you are done with the question. Okay. So right now only one student done. Okay. Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz done this his question. Very good. Anybody else? I think Sharif raised the hand, but he lowered down the hand. Okay. So good. Very nice. So Abdul Rahman Fadi is done. Okay. And Ilyas is also done. Ayan is also done. Very good. Okay. Everybody try to write the answer without the mistake. Very good. Sharif, Mohammad Sami, Abdul Aziz Muhammad. All these students are done with the question. Very good. Okay. So Ayad Shami. Okay. Mohammad Farooq is finished. Done. Okay. Good. So there is a student whose name is Dr. Marwa Bakri. Okay. So could you kindly change your name to the student name? Okay. Abdul Aziz Muhammad is also done. Okay. Good. So I am waiting for everyone so that everyone will finish and then we will move to the next question. After a minute, we will move to the next one. Omar Hassan is also done. Sharif Ahmad is also done. Very good. Always try to write the answer without the mistake. Always try it. Okay. So, so many students done it. Very good. But some of are still writing. So after a 1 minute, we will move to the next question. Okay, Ahmad. Okay, Asir is done. Hamidu Abdul Rahman is done. Okay. Ahmad Yusuf done. Very good. Mashari done. Amgad Muhammad. Mohammad Farooq. Very nice. Very good. Okay. So everybody is done.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Adam is also done.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
I have
Yes,
done.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. 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 So
Yeah.
okay. Okay. If someone is writing, okay, Adam is also done. Okay. So the question number two is on the screen. CPU stands for. Okay, so we have to tell what does CPU stands for. Okay, CPU stands for, we have to tell the full form of CPU. So CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It's just a Central Processing Unit. So it's a question number two. Everybody should write the question number two. And once you are done, you just have to raise your hand and that's it, and I will understand that you are done. Okay, so everybody should write the question number two. The question number two is on the screen along with the question number one. Good. Abdul Aziz is done. Okay. So Abdul Aziz, Ayad Shami, Hamidu Abdul Rahman Faris, good. So Adam is done, Asar is done, Mohammad Farooq, all these students are done, good. So, Sharif Ahmed Mohammed. So everybody is done with the question two, one and two.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So question three is there. Question
Yes.
three is on the screen.
Yes.
Everybody write the
Yes.
question three.
Yes.
Everybody write the question three. The question three is on the screen. What is what is soft copy? Things we see on monitor are soft copy. That's it. What is soft copy? The things which we see on the monitor are soft copy. So everybody take your time and try to write the answer without the mistake. Okay. Okay. If you are done with the question 2, then that's great. And now start writing the question 3. I am waiting for all of you so that you guys can write. Good. So Abdul Aziz Mohammed. Okay. Ayad Shami. Ayad Shami is done. Abdul Aziz Mohammed is done. Mohammad Farooq. Abdul Rahim Fadi. Mohammad Sami. Mishari. Very good. Khalid is done. Sheriff. Okay. Sheriff is done. Mishari is done. Suleiman Saleh done the question. Very good. No, Ali, it's not a page number. Ali, we are writing the questions and answers in the notebook. Ali is asking the page what? It's not a page number. Ali, it's a questions and answers. We are writing the questions and answers in the notebook for the chapter. Okay. So you can open the notebook and start writing the question. Okay, that's good. So everybody should write the answer without the mistake. Everybody write the answer without the mistake. See, answers are very small. Answers are very short. They are not lengthy. They are small, they are short. Okay? Yes, Amal, you are right. Omar Hassan is done also. Very good. Hamidu Abdul Rahim Faris, very good. Okay, okay, now we are moving towards the next question. The next question is there. Question number 4. Why we use keyboard? The question is, yes, Adam, we will have to write these answers in the notebook. You will have to write these answers in the notebook. No, not in the chat. You have to write the answers in the notebook. Okay. I will also upload the answers after the class in the class light. I will also upload the questions and the answers in the class light after today's classes. Okay. So if someone miss any question, they can see the question and answer and they can write it in the notebook. Okay. So after writing the answer in the notebook, you have to send me the picture. Okay. So you have to send me the picture. Okay, but right now we are continuing our work. So the question number 4 is why we use keyboard. Why we use keyboard. Okay. So why we use keyboard? So it's a question. Okay. So answer is on the screen. Answer of the question number 4 is on the screen. To enter data in computer. Why we use keyboard? To enter data in computer. It's a simple answer. Yes, Omar Hassan, you are right. You are right. We can play games, we can put letters. In the simple words, we can say we use computer to enter data. To use computer, we use keyboard to enter data. Okay, to enter data in computer. Why we use keyboard? To enter data in computer. Okay, when we are playing game, we enter our data, we enter our movements through the keyboard. So ultimately, we are using the keyboard to enter data in computer. So everybody write the answer of this question in their notebook. Okay, Abdul Aziz Mohammed, very good. Abdul Aziz is done. Abdul Rahman is done. Mohammed Farooq is done. Mohammed Sami is done. Umar Hassan is done. Very good. Okay, everybody should write and try to write it without the mistake. Okay, take your time. Don't write very fast. Try to write the answers without the mistake. Sharif Mohammed is done. Fadi is done. Mohammed Sami. Okay, good. Good. So many students is done. But take your time and write the answer with the correct words. Try to write it without the mistakes. Okay, good. So Yad Shami is done. Ali is done. Sharif is done. Asar is done. Mishari is done. Very good. So if you notice, the answer of these questions are very short. Very short. These are very easy questions. These are very easy question. So answer of these questions are very much short. See, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Okay, there are questions we have very short. Okay, yes, Umar. Okay, so let me show the question number five. The question number five is on the screen. How many shift keys are on keyboard? The question is saying we all know very well there are keys on the keyboard and there are buttons on the mouse. So the answer for this question is two. Yes, Suleiman has also give the answer in the chat. Umar Ilyas also sent the answer. Yes, it's two. Just a one word answer. If you see, it's very short question. These questions are very short. What is hardware? Touchable parts of computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Okay, what is soft copy? Things we see on monitor are soft copy. Why we use keyboard? To enter data in computer. How many shift keys are on the keyboard? It's two. So the answer of these questions are very small and short. So the last answer of the question number five is two. Everybody write it and try to write the answers without the mistake. Yes, Umar, you're right. Umar Elias Suleiman also sent the answer in the chat. That's two. Okay. So everybody should write this in the notebook. Try to write it without the mistake. Try to write it without the mistake. And once you are done with the question, you can raise the hand. Okay, Abdul Aziz is done. Abdul Aziz is done. Okay. Okay, good. So Abdul Aziz is done. Yes, you are right. So Umar Hassan is done. Mohammad Farooq. Okay, Mohammad Farooq sent the answer. Okay. And Mohammad Sami is done. Abdul Rahman is done. Sharif is done. Okay. So you have to write the questions. You have to write the answers with the questions. Because if anyone write the answers without the question, then how you will get to know that what is the question? You see the answer only. Okay. But if you didn't know the question, then how you will give the answer? So everybody should has to write. Everybody should has to write the question. Okay, so Mishari is also done. Okay, wait for everyone. Though, okay, wait for everyone. After 1 minute, I will tell you what we have to do. Okay, wait for a minute so that everyone will write. Okay, so Mohammed Adam is finished. Farah Farah is finished. Asar is finished. Adam is finished. Okay. So now here is a assignment. Here is the announcement. What is the announcement? Announcement is those students who are done with the question one, two, three, four, five. They can take a picture of a notebook. The things they can write on the notebook, they can take a picture and send it on the mail in the class light. Everybody, those who are done with the questions, those who are writing, you guys can write. Okay. But those who are finished, they can take a picture and send the picture on the mail. And those who are writing, they can write, and after writing, they can send the picture in the chat in mail in class light. Everybody send the picture of the notes they took in the notebook. Remember, you have to write the name of the chapter at the top of the page. The name of the chapter is computer hardware. It's written on the screen. It's written on the screen. Here it is on the top. Okay. So everybody should has to write. Everybody should has to write the name of the chapter. Okay. The name of the chapter is mentioned at the top of the page. Here it is. Okay. And everybody mention the date on the left hand side. Everybody mention the date on the left hand side of the notebook page. Okay. So after writing it, okay, Ayman is also done. Very good. So those who are done, they can send the picture in the picture of the notebook in the mail in class light. And those who are writing, they can write. Try to write the answer without the mistakes. Abdul Aziz Fahad is also done. Okay. So we are doing only these questions and this is it. The questions of the chapter is all done and the questions is finished. We will not have to do more questions for this chapter. Only five questions are there and they are very short. Okay, Hamidu Abdul Rahman is also finished. Very good. So many students finished the questions and answers. Okay. So Athir is also finished. Okay. So now here is one thing. So there are two things. The first thing you have to send me the picture of the questions and answers on the mail in the class light. And the second thing is you have to open the assignment. The assignment is available there and everybody can do the assignment from the class light and it's very easy. And it's very easy. It's available there. Everybody can do it easily. And so you have two tasks. First task, you have to send me the picture on the mail. Some students send the picture in the mail. Yes, after the class, I will check. Abdul Aziz, okay, very good. Abdul Aziz send the picture. And some more students send the picture. I think, what is the name of the student? I got some names, but I will check. After the class, I will check. Okay, I think Mohannad sent, Yusuf Mohannad and Ahmad Yusuf, I think sent the picture in the send in the yes, Ahmad, I got it. Ahmad Yusuf, I got it. Okay. So I got it. I will check the picture after it. Okay. So everybody do the assignment from the class light and send me the picture. So you have two things. Have a nice day, everyone. Have a nice weekend. We will meet in inshallah in the next class. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay,
Okay,
bye.
teacher.
Bye, everyone. Bye.